Alright. Maraming salamat po once again. Okay, maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Jofel TV and Plant from the Heart. Ang ating super chat. Plant from the Heart, super chat for today. And Jofel TV also, super chat. And happy monthsary, Jofel TV and LuvLiNes Channels. 2 months na ang crown ni Jofel TV. Look at that. Asul na siya. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so very much for the support. Once again, maraming salamat, Jofel, sa 2 months membership as a LuvLiNes Galaxy of Super Luv STAR member. And for the super chat, maraming salamat po, Jofel TV. And of course, kay Plant from the Heart, thank you so very much for the super chat, super love chat. Thank you so much, Super Luv STAR Channels and Super Luv Channels. Super Luv Stars of the LuvLiNes Galaxy of Super Luv Stars. King and Queen of the LuvLiNes Galaxy of Super Luv Stars. Maraming salamat po sa inyong support. God bless.